The fact that you are still trying to figure out why this vision board didn't work is insane, when all you did was go on Google, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest and put pictures in a collage with no intentions, no words, no nothing. Baby, that wasn't a vision board. That was inspo for your next makeup look. Before we get into the ins and outs of my vision board, I'm going to tell you the 3 pillars that I focused on this year and why I believe pillars are best for you to focus on when you're writing down all your wildest dreams, achievements, and goals. The 3 pillars I felt the need to focus on personally for my vision board this year was health and wellness, career and purpose, and lastly, personal growth and relationships. Now onto why I feel like you need to utilize pillars when you are creating a vision board, especially a digital vision board. It helps you stay focused. In turn, you will have better positive intentions when you are placing things onto this board that you're going to be integrating into your everyday life. I really need a hydrating treatment on my skin, so I'm gonna let my face wash sit for a few seconds, and we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty of this vision board because I did what everybody else did. Pinterest. I'm not shaming Pinterest. The problem is no one is adding words. No one is saying anything. This vision board, the way I placed it, is not organized, but I did organize my pillars in my notebook beforehand. Let's start in the right corner. So the first thing you see is a cartoon picture, kind of like a screen grab. At the bottom it says, doing me, loving me, protecting my energy. And at the top it says, it's okay to be a little selfish. Selfishness is not always a negative thing. Next you will see a picture of a girl taking a selfie in a white robe. It says visit the spa regularly. Yes, I want to take my love for self-care to the max. Next to that you see a couple holding hands. It says date intentionally. No more casual dating. No more, because I feel like when you just casually do things, you meet too many dusties. I'm tired of dusties. At the bottom, there's 2 pictures, 10K followers on TikTok and Instagram, and 10K subscribers. Mainly, I want to focus on YouTube and Instagram, but why not just do all 3? We ball. I'm just saying. Not my camera dying, girl. I'm so tired. Whew. And this leads me to that top picture. Create a regular workout routine. Baby, I be getting winded at work. I be getting winded when I wake up. It's not cute anymore to be lazy. Now up under there, we have good things are coming. Just a little motivation. You about to start working hard. I'm still winded. Next picture, solo dates. I didn't date for the entire 2024. I didn't do anything romantically. I just mainly focused on me, and I want to amp that up. Up under that, it says eat healthier. Did you not just see me breathing that hard, girl? Why not? I used to have this crazy obsession with smoothies. It was a good way for me to get my daily fiber, minerals, and all of that, and vegetables in. To the right of that, you will see become a signed influencer. Literally, my dream is to be a full-time influencer, which goes with that picture that's right above the eat healthier picture. Become a full-time content creator. I have been a full-time content creator, but I've never actually worked. If you noticed, I mean, the channel was kind of abandoned. Under that, it says stay consistent when creating. Girl, tighten up. To the left, at the very bottom, it says peace of mind. I really want to utilize my solo dates in a way where I am mainly focusing on my inner peace and everything. So we have 2 more pictures left. At the top, it says land more deals and modeling gigs. And when I say more deals, I mean more brand deals. I landed a pretty good amount of brand deals this year, but they were not. Last but not least, we have be invited to a brand trip. I think I was kind of already invited on a brand trip, but it kind of wasn't a brand trip. It was really my first modeling job, and that was with Bread Beauty Supply. My audience don't really know unless they watched my travel vlog last year. You see me pointing to that card up top? I think you should go click it and watch it. I worked very hard on that vlog, and I want to get the opportunity to network with other creators. I feel like there's so many people in the world who love to do what I do, and why not want to meet them and, you know, become friends. I'm gonna ride this thing until the wheels fall off, and I wait to see all of yours. So comment down below if you are making a vision board, if you already made it, and tag me in on Instagram. All my other socials are in my description box. All right, bye.